Hey, it's B.Jones back with another reaction. Uh, yeah, I'm checking out some of Upchurch's new country music that he's putting out, uh, especially in light of some of the uh, attention that he is getting for uh, not being a country guy. Um, Watched a video earlier, and I mean, he was born in Nashville, guys. Come on. He is country. Uh, just and I'm not, and that is not that's definitely not a bad thing. Uh, Ryan, Ryan Upchurch, cool dude, man. Uh, uh, Unfortunately, uh, I'm not. Unfortunately, he's going through some trying times, and uh, me personally, if I ever ran across anybody that gave this man a reason to be angry for even 3 seconds, I'd spit some fucking Copenhagen in his eye. And I don't even dip Copenhagen. I dip Grizzly. Grizzly. Right there. But anyway, that's not why we're here. I'm here to spread the joyous occasion of music. Doesn't matter what music it is. All music is good, you know? So, here we go. Upchurch, Heavier Rain. This is one of his newer releases. When did he release this? Hold on. Granted, 2 months ago. Uh, but it is one of his newer releases. Uh, I have made it a point on several occasions saying that I looked forward to seeing what Ryan Upchurch has to offer in the realm of country music again. He started uh, he started out in country, so Um, but yeah, Ryan Upchurch, Heavier Rain. Let's see what you got, bud.
I almost died to a flash flood in the spring of 2010.
Almost died in a flash flood in the spring of 2010. What was that, Katrina? I'm trying to remember. Was that? I think that was Katrina. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Every time thunder struck, it was hella loud, pounding in the back of my ear. Pictures burn in my brain, still make my spine shiver, of the dead livestock and old work trucks floating to the mouth of the river. Old folks on the roof praying to God can get baptized in the dark old river. So when you threaten me, it's exciting to see How you think you scared me, mister? So if the record labels try to drown me out, you'll see crazy eyes and a crooked smile sitting on my mouth. And I ain't made of sugar, I carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Yeah, I'm rebel tough, still carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Heavier rain. I've seen heavier rain.
Okay, so my takeaway from this so far is that uh, I'm gonna go out on a limb and say Ryan wrote this specifically targeting mainstream, uh, the mainstream music industry, uh, because multiple gold albums, multiple platinum albums, uh, and mainstream media is pissed off that they can do nothing to stop this man. I'd like to see. And it's awesome because the mainstream industry, the music industry, it's all about the industry making the money, and they're and for years the industry said no, that kind of stuff won't work, this won't work, this won't work. um, uh, one of my favorite artists, uh, amazing, amazing guitarist, Carlos Santana. uh, if you don't know who he is, check out some of his music. He is a phenomenal guitarist. Uh, he said he wanted to. He Carlos said that's a whole nother video. But the music industry told him the same thing that they were telling Ryan. That won't work. You can't mix those two together. And I'll do a Carlos Santana reaction, or video. Won't really be a true reaction because I've heard just about everything the man's put out. But I want you guys to. I'd love to share it with you so that you can see what I'm talking about. I'll play some of his earlier and some of his later, but let's get back to Ryan. They Ryan's responding to the music industry with uh, the threats and the turmoil and the grief that they're giving him with this song. That's what I'm taking away from it, and I think it's awesome.
Some chase the standard, famous and pampered for the self, make no decision. Some like the danger, back road cocaine, and 6-speed Chevy transmissions. Tell mainstream I said, come get some. You won't even know you're bigger. 'Cause this country boy ain't a label's play toy. I come from the mouth of the river. So if the record labels try to drown me out, see crazy eyes and a crooked smile sitting on my mouth. And I ain't made of sugar, I carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Yeah, I'm rebel tough, still carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Heavier rain. I've seen heavier rain. Sink or you swim, son, I've been on a limb as people's life gets swept from their fences. And Paul died, the boy seen his first grandson saddle up country music and tame it. So if the record labels try to drown me out, you'll see crazy eyes and a crooked smile sitting on my mouth. And I ain't made of sugar, I carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Yeah, I'm rebel tough, still carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain, heavier rain. I've seen heavier rain. Yeah, I've seen heavier rain.
That was tight. Yeah, record labels come after him. You ain't got nothing to stand on because he owes you nothing. That is, that is the epitome of success. Is that this man owes the industry nothing, because what have they given him? Nothing. Amazing. That's just awesome. And for him to have the live the life that he's lived, and start putting music out. I think he's been doing music for about 10 years, 10, 11 years, something like that. Uh, for him to have the amount of success that he's had, you have to sit back and appreciate the man's talent and drive to succeed and do better than the industry would allow him to do had he been a labeled toy. Because, yes, Ryan, I caught that. I caught that label toy line. That was pretty dope. Guys, if you enjoyed that, uh, throw me a like, hit that subscribe button. Uh, uh, Cruise on over to Ryan's channel, throw him a like on this video. I'll leave the video link in the description. Um, that's usually all I put in the description is the link to the video that I have that I've looked at, that I've reviewed, uh, that I've checked out, that I've watched with you guys. Uh, Creek Squad, if you're in the house, I appreciate you. Good looking out. Glad glad that we all have Ryan's back. Uh, Phenomenal artist, doing great things. So, hey guys, I'll talk to you later. Peace. Share the love, show some love, make somebody's day better. You guys have a good one.